NVIDIA is, in my opinion, right now, probably for the next few months, it's just as important to the market as the 10-year Treasury note.
Oh, wow. Okay.
This market is a AI-driven market. NVIDIA is not the 800-pound gorilla, is the 10,000-pound gorilla throwing everyone else around with AI. Okay. They are the market barometer right now. So this market, these bull markets are built on a thesis. And right now a narrative, and the earnings are strong. Great. That's a big part of it. The yields haven't gone completely berserk yet, but time will tell. And those earnings are driven a lot by the technology sector, which is 29% of the S&P 500 now. And that sector its narrative is built on AI right now. So we have to give credit where credit's due. It won't always be this way. There will be another superstar down the road. But right now, I think, NVIDIA is just a company you have to keep your eye on, because it has a lot. Whatever happens with NVIDIA will have a big impact on the technology sector, the chip sector as a whole. And because, again, the technology sector is nearly 30% of the S&P 500 now, if that sector starts to roll over because of poor guidance from NVIDIA, then that can sort of cause a cascade effect about a lot of the other companies that have built good guidance around their AI, Microsoft, Google, even Amazon, Meta, whomever. And that could cause that could cascade down. And, that could happen. I think in any event, the market could just simply go through a profit. If it comes out good, I don't know that NVIDIA is going to go shooting up. I think a lot of good news is priced in right now, right here. Okay. In fact, it could go, they say, the market topples and the market goes down on good news. And if we see, if NVIDIA does print really strong earnings and does provide really strong guidance, and then it kind of just doesn't do anything and kind of pulls back a little bit, that could be a good indicator of the beginning of a 5 to 6% pullback. Okay. And it's nothing more than profit taking. It's not testament to earnings are rolling over, yields are going out of control, inflation isn't whipped, AI is dead, none of that. It's just probably some short-term 4 to 6 week profit taking would be my guess. And frankly, I would welcome it.
Yeah. Well, and as always, before I let you go, nothing that we say on the show is intended to be advice, because we don't necessarily know what's going to happen in the future. We don't know anything about listeners' financial situations, but hear what you're saying. And I've usually heard that term called price for perfection. And it doesn't necessarily mean that we're at a bad spot in the market right now. It just means that, the good news is priced in. I don't know. That's your football player that signed a $40 million contract. Doesn't mean they're not worth it. It just means you paid top dollar for them, right? I mean, it's you'd rather find it. If you're a bargain shopper, that could be a bad sign. But,
sometimes
relative selection though, right, baby?